So let's suppose you want to add a citation here, and we want to see if it correctly renumbers these other citations that are already there. So put our cursor at the end of the sentence, click the Add Edit Citation. It should hopefully zoom us over to select something. So I'll go ahead and do that. Put in this new one. And there, it did it very quickly. It changed this 2 was here, it became a 3, and it called this a 2, which is very good. We want that. And now let's say we will generate the citation, the references based on these 9 references that we've cited. And let's see, it showed up in a funny spot. I put the cursor at the wrong spot, so let me move this down under here. All right, so here we have 9, and let's say we want to try to eliminate number 1. So what you should do is you should highlight that superscript, actually just delete it, and then at this point none of the other citation has changed the numbers, so I'm going to click on refresh and see if it will change it. If it doesn't do it right away, sometimes I have to click refresh twice. So you can see right now it hasn't changed number 2 to number 1. So let me do it one more time. It still has not. Just in the meantime to check, we still have 9 down here, which we only want to see 8. So let's try again. Let's refresh. Did it do it? Ooh. There we go. All right, it renumbered down here, so we have gotten rid of 1 citation. What it did not do is it did not call this number 1. Oh, okay, it's doing some more work. Oh. All right, I guess it's taking a little bit of time. You can see that it's changing. This has now changed itself, and hopefully, there we go, number 1. Hey, we did it. So updating citation in this document is taking a long time. Would you like to disable automatic citation updates? We'll need to click refresh. You can change the setting later. So I need to check. Would you like to disable? No, we don't want to disable it. We'll just let it do. So it did rename. After we got rid of the citation here, there was no more number 1, and very slowly with time, it changed this correspondingly to 1, and everything else followed correctly. And just to double check, we truly have 8 resources and had gotten rid of the one that was the original number 1. So I think that should be correct. So to recap, it's fine to highlight the one that you don't want, highlight the superscript and delete it. And then when you do that, you must go to refresh. And refresh, depending on how many things it needs to readjust for you, may take a little while. So patience seems to be key, and just keep a close eye that these superscripts are changing accordingly over whatever short amount of time that Word and Zotero are working hard at doing that. And then just double check that the correct number of new references left is accurate.